family. Don't know it's a boy Holy Fire 777. Yeah. Coming to you from St. Catherine, Geisel St. Catherine to be exact. Yes, and up here is where it all started, you know. Back to the roots. Yeah. Back to my roots. You know you have to have a foundation. Yeah. So here is where it all started, and peeps, if you don't know, you know, that's my dream vehicle, to have a Hilux. Because Hilux is better for them road here. So this is Geisel. This Geisel is more a farming community. Yeah, mainly farmers live here and thing. Yeah. Whole heap of land, whole heap of farmland. Very fruitful land too, very fruitful, productive land. Yeah. And I grew up here. Yeah, I practically, let me see, I grew up here in a way. Some people remember me, some people don't. But I didn't spend a lot of years here. Because some of the people I remember, some I don't. Because I live here about 17 years of age. Yeah, so I'm back. Came here from yesterday evening. And I went to a 9-night, or setup rather. Let's. I went to a setup rather. You know? Yeah. So you see that video there already? Let's get that video drop before this one. See that setup. So yeah, this is the country life. Country people. This is country, deep country. Up here you don't have proper running water and proper road and stuff like that. So a lot of young youths them. So a lot of them move out of the community and live elsewhere, some live abroad. Yeah. So up here you still have boat house like them there. And the kind of house that used to be the house at one point in Jamaica. Those boat houses up at them place here. Remember my grandfather used to have one. Big one. Yeah. A very big one. Like I said, peeps, Geisel is a farming community. Whole heap of avocado palm tree and thing. Yeah. Whole heap of avocado palm tree. Restless. Or we call it in Jamaica, we call it pear. Foreigners say, the right word is avocado rather, but we say pear. And occupancy, almost every man is a pass it. See them with a machete or a cutlass. Yeah, almost every man pass, they have a cutlass. Yeah, but they won't harm you. Just because it's a farming community. Bless. Oh, you say that? Okay. Alright, brother. Alright. Yeah, safe. So, you know, this is it, Peter. Let me say, Geisel is Geisel. Farming community have a plant there, so have banana there, so because yam can't hungry neither. Can't hungry, peeps, can't hungry. You know? Yeah. So I'm gonna use this and then Durant, remember. I try to say Durant live again. Just walking in the community. Actually, I'm walking going down towards my, I would say no, should I say my grandfather, because if my grandfather no longer alive, then he could actually no longer own any land here, right? So I don't know if I should say my grandfather's land, but the land that my grandfather used to own, because now it belongs to, because nobody really own land, to tell you the truth, because everybody gonna die and leave the land. Even if they make a plan, they're gonna die and leave the land. So always remember that even if you make a plan, you're gonna die and leave the land. The land gonna stay here always. Yeah. So yes, peeps. I was gonna say it's a farming community though. Yeah, as I say, whole heap of land and whole heap of banana. Very fruitful place. I guess less farming though now. As I say, more pear tree again. Yeah. I'm not gonna really point the camera upon everybody. Yeah, cause you know, They still don't want to invade people's privacy. I know people don't want people to know where them live same here. Yeah. But I will show you some drone footage also. Yeah. Bless. Yes. Yeah man. Alright, brother. Yes, babes. This is how it is, babes. Now there is that. So I say, some people know me, some people don't. Some people will know me and some people don't. Some faces I remember, some faces I don't remember. That's how it is. Yes, babes. And this is what a famous shop also. One lady used to run a shop named Sandra too, like my mother. Not my mother, but one lady used to run a shop named Sandra. Yeah. So yes, babes, this is it. I'm gonna show you where I used to go catch water and stuff like that, babes. So we can walk around there. Kinda river with a cave like. Yeah. You know people always say mermaid there them place, eh? Do you believe in mermaid? Yeah, I was talking to a older man last night. He must say mermaid exists but in the sea. But I don't know. I love to see one. Yes, and it's one of the community bus also. This bus run to Linstead. Yes, a Toyota vehicle that run goes to Linstead. And as I said, this is a real farming community, peeps. I look against the cane, whole heap of cane. You can't hungry in place of cassava, banana, plantain, everything. There, peeps. I try to remember the yard, you know. Yeah. So on this road I used to walk, go shop or stuff like that. Actually the road here, peeps, don't look so bad. Yeah. This road the road here make long time. And because it do good from back in them days there, yeah, not like nowadays where they're not fixing the road properly. And the place is so fruitful place, peeps, but what I realize is they're not bushing the farms and because in this banana walk they used to bush it more. At one point, you know, I used to come and see it look so bushy. You know what? I guess I say so the elderly people die out, younger people them not really into too much farming. That's what I realize. Younger people, a lot of them not into too much farming because farming takes a lot. But if you're into it, you make money. You will make money because farming is the backbone of any country. People need food to survive. And if you can't feed yourself, you're in a trouble. Yeah. So any country now process enough food and all that, you have to be dependent upon other country. That's trouble. Trouble there. Yeah. And only in some places I go in Jamaica you will see this wire pass through it or this light. I don't know if it belongs to some who it belongs to, but it's a high voltage current to carry, real high voltage. I don't know. When I was small I remember seeing this here. Real high voltage. So yes peeps, so we reach Middlesex Basic School. So this is Middlesex Basic School, but I never used to go to a basic school here. When I came back here, I was past basic school stage. Yeah. Middlesex Basic School. And this land now, yeah, is my family land. Yeah. Mainly, I'm one of the biggest grandchildren my grandfather have. Yeah. So over there, so I have other family members live there. The land is practically empty in a sense where not enough, a lot of people live there. But when my grandfather was alive, I don't know him do it. But majority of this used to clean up, peeps. It never used to be this bushy. Yeah, so majority of the land here, peeps, is my grandfather. Yeah, and his parents died leave it to him. When I was growing up, this used to be a cow pasture full of cows. But as I say, So elderly people in die out. Youths them not really into farming. But it used to be a cow pasture. And you used to go further down, there's something like a spring down there, so that you used to get water down there when you have water shortage or drought rather. Because in this community you have water problem, people have to buy water. Yeah. Yeah, when my grandfather was alive, he used to tell you, you could come here so and see the whole of the land here good. So the land here, them cane here, was one of my uncle plant them to sell back to people. Yeah. So the sun is coming out now. It's about after 7 now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so I guess I did a little bit of farming over there. So this used to be basic school. I don't know if it's still operating, but this is the basic school. And this is a government run school also, not private, government Middlesex basic school. Yeah, I guess it's not open now, because I think one of the time I say enough kids in the year to go, but which is I think people choose to send their kids to other schools. So I never used to even fence up at one point, but now it's fence up. And stop use a school, brother. And stop use it. Ah. I know fitting the day for go to school again or what? Eh. Yeah. Okay. Jaja. So come now come play football, you know? Oh. Yeah. And then fence out. And then fence out that this used to be a toilet. And fence out it. Yeah. Time used to open. Yeah. Are you work down there, sir? Oh. Okay. The road down there, see you down the river? The road up to down the river, see me? Okay. Eh? Okay. So you speak, see so have a river down there so we catch water. It's a river not so bright like up here so. Yeah. Yes peeps, I'm growing up. Never used to be even. No, it used to be a boathouse right here so. So I guess I'm not gonna go down there because it's bare grass down there now peeps. Wow. This used to be a road. A road open up to go all the way down to the river. They have a river down there. Yeah, and they rush me. A bad cow peeps. Yeah, they rush me. Yeah, they rush me. A bad cow. Yeah, it used to be a river open all the way down to peeps. A big wide road. Like the road up here so. It look like you know open. As in it bush up. The river I'm gonna peeps because in that river like it's like a river and then some water come from underneath one cave. But we used to go right to the cave and catch water. Yeah. I don't want to go down there, you know. I really want to go down there. Should I go down there? I really wanted to go down there, peeps. Let me see if I can go down there. Because you look like you want to war me. Go look for me, peeps. Are you looking at me like that? Am I troubling you? Yeah, I have more cow in the road. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm afraid I'm a radar, you know. Okay. See, the peeps in the life. Things like cow and war, but I run the cow. Run from me, rather. Alright, peeps, let's walk down there. That's what it's like here. Yeah. Okay. So it is. There's a hungry cow. Or water or something cow want. I may intend to run from the cow. Yeah. Let me see. So now my clothes I go bore up. So you go. And my shoes are gonna see up, but so you go. Who cares? I care zero. Yeah. But then I carry 2 battery because battery already run down. And GoPro. Yes, peeps. And most of them land down here, so used to be farming land. Used to have farms down right along down here. Let me see how the road go. I can't even see where the road go again, peeps. Let me see. The road. See the truck? If I run, truck me follow. Oh, yeah, got me the right place. Like right me the right place, peeps. Let me see. Oh, no, I'm not see the road, the truck. Used to be a truck here. It used to be, but I think the cave was would have there somewhere like there, so because there's some stone there, so it should have there somewhere like there, so yeah, not here, so because if I hear something come, it would have been there, so and I don't, even though a long time of years, I don't think it would have been there, so it's supposed to be somewhere where the rock them there, so like underneath there, so because yeah, it's a cave, so I can't remember, like it was kind of high. Remember which side? Peeps, place change up so much, you know. I mean, used to have a set of youths, a family that live right there past the house there, and they got kids, so they used to go to the river every day too. Even me, so I'm walk to my grandfather's land and go over there. This is so bushy. I don't remember, but I think that is the other side of it would be the place still. Because if them rock they did so, there must be a cave further down. It was high though. I don't remember how to get there, peeps. Yeah, oh God. Well, the man says still, so you not cut out like up so again, still. But yeah, I always remember that cave there and thing. Come so we used to go down and catch water. Then look, I'm not seeing a truck. Alright. See something like a truck here, so like people definitely don't walk here again, peeps. There is no truck. And in Jamaica, you're supposed to see a truck like in the bush. Look like people walk here, so let me see. And peeps, yeah, this is not really the safest thing to do. Because in Jamaica, even places like this, where you see a lot of grass and thing, when you don't see any truck, oh, alright, see a truck here, peeps. Yeah. Because up at them places, peeps have like sinkhole. So you can be walking in grass, high grass, and when you look, you end up in a hole. And if you don't know sinkhole, I know sinkhole. Yeah man, it was something like here, so you know. Yeah, something like here, so because I try to remember them big stone here or something. It was like this. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So let me see it now. Okay, yes. See, I don't see a truck here, so now. Like somebody still good on here. Like somebody still good on here, peeps. Yeah. Yeah, I remember he saw a bamboo. Because anyway, normally in Jamaica, the rest of bamboo water, the water is there also. Because bamboo grow where water is. Yeah. Whoa. I'm cold down here again. I'm big mice cow, peeps. In Jamaica we say mice cow. Big cow, the peeps. Whoa. My shoes wet and full of burn now. Yeah, I hear water running. And actually I think good walk right there, so I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, but the cow they look hostile. Cow look hostile, peeps. Oh, can't believe something I get to go down the peeps. And I can't fly drone because too much bush and all of that. But I can hear water running. So yes, peeps, this river Yeah, but like when the rain fall, you have you say no, waterway, but then you have a cave underneath, somewhere underneath here, running underneath here. But this no, because that's why you see them big stone there. I still remember them big stone there, yeah. So whenever the time dry, it no matter, you will still get water. You just go right at the cave mouth and catch water. Yeah, that's how we used to live here. And guys, that's where we used to get water and walk with it on our head. Or in bottle. Clean, pretty water. We never even used to boil the water after people. We used to drink water the same way. Because it was pure water. Cow, you can come up here, so? Will you attack me? Because it's been really running, you know. Let me see. I can come up here, so I don't know. Oops, so I can run. Go attack me. Yes, please, water down there, so but you not even look like no water, no road if you walk go down there again. Like nobody not go down there, I gotta catch water. Everywhere bush up. Where I can see. Everything that I can see from here with my eyes is actually bush. Yeah. Yeah. So yes, people say water down there, so. If you go broke, you know, water down right down there, so. Let me see. Cow? Cow? You looking at me? I'm looking at you too. Oh, and I just in tiny peeps. That's why cow tie. But I the foolishness, you know. That may I tell you. Oh. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna say peeps, you don't trust up a bush here. You see, let me see. Okay. Okay. Yes, peeps. Okay. In life, you must always conquer your fear. Don't let fear conquer you. Okay, peeps. Yeah. So come all the way down here so I can catch water, peeps. Let me not try to cave mouth there again. Okay. Okay, see the peeps. Yeah. So there's a cave underneath there. Where the water comes from. Yeah. Even the cave kind of break down away. But there's a cave there where water runs from underneath. You can hear it. There's all the water here. Coming from underneath there's a cave. Underneath the rock here. Yeah. So water come from up the stream there, so, and then out of the water source come from underneath here, so. So we used to come here and catch water here. No matter the time dry, we used to get water. It's water. So as I say, even the cave seems a bit like the stone them break down away. Because as I say, over the years, nobody not come here and all that. The cave mouth not clean. So you saw water. Clean water, peeps. Clean water to get down here, so. See water run, peeps. Don't if nobody even come here and catch water no more. So even when rain fall, whenever I used to come down here and see this water, extremely dirty, like brown, because as I said, water coming straight from underneath the cave there, so. As you can see the stone there, right underneath it. So water used to be clean, real clean, peeps. So, you know, yeah, anyway, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, let's get back out of here. Yeah, I can better say, a lot of people live here now, don't even come nowhere near here. I guarantee that. A lot of people that is here, don't come nowhere near, so again. That is always the case. As I say, peeps, if you look, it's a bare rock. Bare rock here, so. But over the period, it seems like probably the pressure of the tree or the root or so, the cave kind of, mouth kind of seem like it close up away. But there's a cave there, you could walk into it But I see there's a little amount there now. So let me get out of here. And go. We ain't buddies here. We ain't buddies. So let me walk here. And you stay right there, okay? You don't want to think so you can rush me. Here. We ain't buddies. Bye. Yes, peeps. Let me get out of this bush. Because if you tell my sister I come down here, if I tell my sister that I come down here in this bush, she gonna say, oh, me alone walk around this. You know? And little nephew was gonna come with me, but I'm busy washing up the dishes because he never washed them from yesterday. So, you know, the little youth nowadays, and different growing up. If my mother tell me to do something, I couldn't postpone it. I would have to do it. Otherwise, I will get some serious knocking. So let me see. Short more walk. Come out of the bush here. Oh Lord. Yeah. And peace, all of this used to be a clear path. We used to like run down there to catch water because it was very clear. But as the gentleman was telling me before, it's not like that anymore. The road now, so you have to look good. I mean, because people still bring cow down here to feed. That's why you see you can even see no way to walk. So now my pants is messed up. My pants and my shoes full of burr, but so you go. That can clean off. Yeah. You know, history is history. Yeah. And in life now, you can always tell people things, and sometimes when you tell them, actually you go to one generation, another generation, and the story change. But when you document it, it will stay. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, when you document it, it's a different story. Yeah. So, alright peeps, let's go to the bush. Alright. Catching me back when I'm out of the bush. So I'm in the bush, deep in the bush right now. I don't care peeps. The grass is like high, catching the waist. That's how high the grass is. Waist height grass. I'm still trying to get out of the bush. Trying to navigate my way through the bush. As I say, growing up, this was a big board house right here with a family. Yeah, family of roughly about 6 or more people. Husband and wife and kids. Yeah. Yeah, that cow. They behave like, you know, rush me, but then she's afraid of me. Yeah. So now this is a big house right here. I don't know if different people live there because a lot of times youth them that was growing up here, they grew up actually leave the community. But if you can look all the way down, they plant be banana. I don't know what else they plant here, but I see them plant corn here and them plant cucumber. In Jamaica we say cucumber and potato, sweet potato. Yeah, so it's a big farm. I guess it need weeding still because grass will overtake it. But farming is a lot of work, peeps. Because even like this now, this is a whole lot of weeding. I'm probably not going to weed it because I'm going to wait until the cucumber, because cucumber then ready. You can see big cucumber in there. Yeah, the big cucumber in there. Growing so cucumber look like, peeps, in the farm. Look like cucumber. There is cucumber, peeps, growing on it. So those who don't know cucumber grow, this is cucumber that you get at the supermarket. That is cucumber. See the peeps, the big ones. Yeah, there's cucumber, peeps. Yeah, that is cucumber. But don't come in the country and do that. People don't really think they are thief and things still. Yeah, and you know, sorry here, so sorry late. Got them summer sorry they're supposed to come December, so either them earlier than late. No, but I guess yesterday have sorrel that grow 2 times of the year or grow anytime. Because this is sorrel, if you know sorrel. Sorrel in Jamaica is used to make a drink. Mostly during Christmas time. You have sorrel drink. And then them have some pineapple alongside it. But most of this used to be farming land. But I used to come over here to come play football evening time and Sunday evening time around that side. Yeah, and used to have, I guess them break down some of them toilet here. This used to be the outdoor toilet. In Jamaica, we used to say drop booth. If you're Jamaican, you know what that means. So when you do it in there, when you do number 2, there's no need to flush. You just wipe your butt and get out. Yeah, it used to be the outdoor toilet. So I guess they upgrade to proper toilet that they don't use them anymore. But the basic school is not active, as they say. Even this house, I remember this house. No house never used to be here, so back then neither. As you can see, this is like a pretty newly constructed. And I'm going to go on the road, people, and fly the drone so you can see wild land here. Yeah, family land. Yeah, and I have that tree, one tree in the middle here, so that tree is a mammy tree. Just like where you have papaya, you have mammy tree. That is a mammy tree, peeps. And that tree there, like a more than one now. Look like more tree there beside it. That tree is from my grandfather time, from when I was a boy. Years ago. I grew up, I born come see this mammy tree and it's still bearing. I have quite a few mammy on it. Yeah, so mammy is practically like a brown fruit and the skin is thick. When it ripe, it's not soft, but actually, you know, you can tell, feel it. You know, a little bit soft. Yeah. See a farmer. I was gonna say this used to be a cow pasture, people, not just one cow. Many cows used to be over here. Yes. Many cows. See over here. But now, and this is called a lane here again, liquor school. This hill or this lane is called, it's just down a liquor school. Yeah, when you turn you go down on this side. So we're there, down a liquor school. Yeah, because kiddie school, more like preschool like. This is a liquor school there. There's a lot of walking peeps, trust me. Good for me, not true. Good for me. Yeah. Let me see how people land there, peeps, but you have to have money in order to farm them land here and stuff. Yeah, look like them kind of fix the road here. Let me see before me even say anything. Because right up here, so used to be terrible. So let's see if it's fixed. As you say, peeps, whole heap of farming go on here, so. Good morning. Yeah, this hill now used to be, let me smaller, this hill used to be even steeper. Oh, then patch it. Because just the other day, no, not the other day, I shouldn't say the other day, about a year and a half ago, when I came to Jamaica, yeah, almost 2 years now, up here, so they're really bad. When I say bad, I mean really bad. Here, so actually they patch it, which is good, because it was like some deep trenches. But whenever time election coming up, they normally sort out the roads. There, you know. Here I walk. So this I come right now a little school. Yeah, I'm gonna go there. Eh? Ah. Eh? Look for breadfruit for me. I get this, I'm gonna step over this. So, breadfruit. No, you don't want so much. I don't want so much. In the market, I go, man. What you want? Number 1 tree. I'm gonna drive, you know. What banana for you? No, I'm not a banana. Can't manage too much. You want plantain? All if you plant well fit. Where? All if you well fit. That. I only can carry like one hand a plant there, so can't carry so much. Mama, make it go and stay, man. Yeah, that go and stay, man. Yeah, that one stay some more. That one fit some more, man. When you're ready, you should have put it down on the ripe after. That's not the ripe now. And a cane. A piece of cane. Yeah. A piece of cane now. Huh? Yeah. That's the peeps. Breadfruit when I give peeps like I sell myself a pumpkin. Piece of yam there too. Yeah, give thanks to that. Wow. Pumpkin up on tree. Are you planting pumpkin? I can't manage so much, man. Let's get a little bag like. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Red man there. Oh. Yeah. You want me to go all the way down I gully we could catch water down there, so? And a cave like. Oh. Yeah, man. See an apple tree here, peeps. Let me see, you can get the apple. It's the apple done. The peeps. Apple ripe on the tree. In the Jamaica. You pick apple, you just go like so, and you use bite off the bottom of it and rub it on the apple. Wipe off, that's how you clean it. Nice. Fresh. A cane plant and cane, eh? Oh. No man, the piece to eat. I can't manage too much out.
Road.
I want cane to eat.
You know.
I'm not drinking tea, because I don't make tea, so I'm left.
So for you, you know what we're having there?
Yeah. I shouldn't come at neither.
When they?
Yeah, yard.
Yeah, yard.
Should I yard?
Sure, town. So you don't come up here yet?
I should have come this morning, but she didn't reach it.
I'm right now with a team.
Right on, no?
Couple.
Yeah.
You know, more sweet. More up them there. You know what I'm about here?
No, sir. That's here, cane sweet. Yeah, clean on so. Yeah? How much you clean this? Wow. Not ready yet, man. I grow it. Eh? Apple up on a tree, yeah. Apple tree. Apple tree, then I can apple nuts drop on it, that's beer. Apple seed does drop on apple beer. Okay, hips, but that's one apple tree. Apple like, whoa. But look for what's too. Okay. Wake up early, man. Not sleep off. Not me, I always wake up early now. Yeah, I'm in there.
What are we digging with fast, you know?
Oh, one time, one apple tree alone, you know, song. The apple tree dead. Really yam too. Yeah, man, yellow yam, man. It look dry.
Plant back here, you know. Make it a yam the funny, you know?
It look dry.
No, no, no.
I'm not gonna, I say. I'm not break it again. I'm not breaking it, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, nice to say yam that, man. I'm going to pound for yam.
Yeah. And I can't be a yam. What's the go next, please? What's the one next, please? You put yam in there, what the yam in one back here, they're powerful, you know? Yeah, do it. One big piece of yam is over here, you know?
Yeah.
A piece, the next piece. Try that one, there. You need another piece, no? So you have to try that, man. This must be like this. You just in planning to me like them. What may I say? I'm planning better than I plant again.
Yeah.
Yes, like one piece of yam. Piece of yam, there's another one. Yes, Linda no come yet.
What ginger there, see me?
Eh?
What about ginger there, see me?
Yeah, man. See, some of them are chopped there. Some of them are bust there.
Go ahead, just chop them and then grow back, see me?
Different piece of yam. Yeah.
You ready yet? Put it up and cover it back, man.
No plant it back, man. No plant it back. Go dig the next piece. And the thing is that piece here. You have one piece of it already. Okay, you dig the one piece of yam, man. Here. Let me see one yam, piece of yam, then another one. Yeah, man, yeah. You have to do yam more time, man. Man, set up a place and plant up here, you know. Boy, I can't work down the side, you know. Yes. Yes. You're not come yet.
Yeah, just going to pine them so you pine and get free up for beer.
Yeah, what up and plant.
Yeah.
What up and plant.
You just free them up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Where my baby are going? Yeah. I'll get a drive next time, man. I'll get a drive.
reach a bend boat here, you know. They reach a bend boat, you see. I cut them in a bag.
Yeah, man.
Can I go another bag here?
Yeah.
Bag or 2 bags.
So a long time I need cocoa, long time.
Yeah, man, 2 cocoa in there, dash in them, you know.
Yeah.
Dash in and cocoa, 2 pieces of yam, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Boil a little soup, man. You're not going to just peel them. Boil a little soup and drink. You know?
You might want a pumpkin, you know one.
The one there.
Yeah.
Curry, you know. See, I carry 2 of them.
I can't manage too much. I look bag me carry them, I can't manage that, brother. I drive, man.
Maybe you go so you can get one little cleaner bag.
Yeah.
Out of color. The one you all want.
Yeah. And put 2 breadfruit in there.
This is breadfruit and the roast already. The one here. Bigger one. And that one here.
That one look more like very serious.
Which one?
The corner, sir. That's one.
The little one.
Yeah. You just put 2 alone in there.
Yeah, try them, man. That way, load.
Yeah, man.
You get more load. You can't try them. Yeah?
Alright, maybe I make it up.
A nice bag this one, try them. So put them back there, man. You have to cover the banana.
Yeah.
You put banana them too, man.
Yeah, man.
You want to eat them.
Man, so the fried banana.
You put them back there, man. You can't have some more food.
I need to have more than cane peeps. On my belly. Yeah. Yeah, man, can you walk when you fat road out the road? Cane sweet as a peeps. Eat almost one whole cane. Eat cane? To be more tired now. I can't have eaten more people, more tired. Oh. You see the cane I tell me about buy cane. I'm telling you, mad man, I can't go a country and buy cane. That don't make no sense. Yeah. So I don't want to spend no money with him. I'm going to go buy cane, peeps. I'm buy cane and I come a country, not true. That don't make no sense. But I can eat cane till my belly full. Yeah. It's going like a waste of money, peeps. Yeah.
Mention that.
True, man.
You can't live in a cane and tell about bike in space. You can mention that. You know what I mean, you can't think of it in your bag. Can you see sweet, you know?
It's sweet, man. You want to meet off more side?
Sweet cane, you know.
You want to meet off more side?
I have a cane down there, you know. I'm plant a cane, you know.
Yeah, man, that sweet cane, man. It's soft, though. Cane is soft, that's shame. I'm going to eat 2 banana, too. Let's load. Yes, peeps. I know. This is my breakfast, peeps. Banana and cane. No, can't manage that. Can't manage so much load. Now one thing Daddy really did, you know? Yeah, man. When Daddy was alive, at my grandfather, his grandfather, I call Daddy. Because my mother called him, so I called him Daddy when I really said grandfather. When my grandfather was alive, at the age of in his 60s, you can stay from here and look all the way down. I don't know how he do it, but now I realize. So them younger than him and then can't even manage it. Everywhere you look would be clean. You can stay from up here and look straight down. Never used to see bushy. All them bushy, all the place bushy. My grandfather was alive. You would never see this so bushy. Never. You would never see this so bushy, peeps. My grandfather did roughly about 18 years ago now, roughly. Because my son was about 2, I think. Yeah. I think my son meet him before he died. He was about 2. My son was about 2 years old. About 18 years ago, peeps. 18 years ago, you could steer from here and bend down and call this man all the way down the sun and say, oh, and wave to them and they actually hear you. Yeah? Fever grass. Yeah. Yeah, man. Fever grass to make tea. Yes, peeps. When grandfather was alive, it was a different thing, peeps. You would never see the place look so bushy. Them grass are front there, so? No. But trust me, that man really dead for true. Yeah. I believe that he come in here, I believe that my grandfather dead for true. Trust me. I don't know how he do it, but once me come here, I walk out the old land because now it's bushy. You can hardly see where to walk. I can have like a track, but I mean, it used to be clean. You can walk anyway because you have a pear tree right here. Pear tree used to be enough to, and the pear them would drop and roll, go all the way down there. Go, you can go down there and look for them. But no, smoke, man. This is too bushy. Yeah, but in the future, we have to do something. We gotta do something in the future, peeps. Not true? Yeah. I'm gonna fly the drone. This is on drone footage. You see drone footage where a place big and bushy. Cause they can't manage. It's a younger generation can't manage it. Yeah. Let me step over there. So I'm gonna bring the bag there for me, peeps. I'm gonna bring the bag there for me, cause yeah, shit. Can't manage them the load there, my peeps. Eh? Hold for fever grass up, man. Alright. We saw them and sitting. Oh, that red man? Oh, go on. You can come from a bubble hill, so. Yeah? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, man. Now, cinnamon. Yeah. Yeah? Oh. And you just come in? Oh. So you go.
And goat, come in here,
Yeah.
Go put this in your bag here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good sitting this in
yeah, man.
Grass,
Yeah, man.
And cinnamon, the boy porridge. You pop out one little piece there and boil it. You see it?
Yeah.
You know if you use enough of this,
No, man. Me know, man.
What you know it?
I carry my carry still.
Let me tell you.
Yeah, man. Cause I don't really know tea bag and thing. I love my bush tea.
Yeah, man. Fever grass, man. This one.
You say sitting on time, man. After the coconut, after the banana tree.
Yeah, man. Fever grass, this one.
Yeah, man. Love my bush tea, man.
Fever grass, good. It's a good one. Good tea, good bush.
Yeah.
Boiled tea, nice. See the boiled tea with the sweetening. Boil two of them.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Cinnamon and the
fever grass.
Fever grass.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, in a corona, then I say you cure corona. So them not say.
Fever grass. Nice.
Yeah.
You know, we can.
Yeah.
Like a bubble yard, yeah. You see
In the upper yard.
You see it?
Yeah. Okay.
Where you go now? You go down the road?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll left this.
Yeah. So what go down there? Okay, alright. I'm soon forward then. Alright. Yeah, so my sister called me tell me say breakfast ready, peeps. When you have a big sister, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, for you go down across the road?
How come I go down so yes?
Yeah, man, go look.
Yeah, peeps.
The banana shoot in the road again. But the boy came in the fall, we come here for him to come banana. You have to come back and chop the banana, because you never work up as well.
Yeah.
You work up as well, you know, hear it. And you come up and sit down and cut anything you want and reap for sitting. I mean, I chop nothing for him, you know.
Yeah.
Hear it.
Then grass that grow up, man.
There's the plant already, look on it. I load the fire. You feel that I load? You feel that I feel that, you know?
Can't manage it more, man.
Eh?
Can't manage it load.
Look at your plant, man, I left here and you say you don't want it.
Alright,
You mother me no cut it.
Alright, cut it then, man.
Eh?
Cut it then, no?
Yeah, man, wait, man, cut on plant for you, man. Done. And you me left it for you now.
Yeah, let me see.
More day I know done.
Yeah.
But me say me left that one and see you.
Oh.
Yeah, you no fit.
Yeah.
You not going to keep in the grass and then come here and cut it for you.
Yeah.
And you tell me that you're not ready and then you can't fry, man.
Dry to you, man. Yeah. Yeah. Plant expensive too, you know. Plant like that on price, brother. Yeah, man. I'm not too. I'm a son later about three bills or 4 bills myself at one pot. Eh?
Eh? Grass and then I cut them out.
Oh.
So me will build on the grass, but I want some week in the grass.
Oh.
See your plant here, you have to yard.
Yeah, man, you ready, man?
You have to plant. I may have one more for you. Can you want one more?
No, man, that good.
That's enough.
Put it over yard. What you do, man? Yeah, man, I look for far, you look like you're ready, but you're ready, man.
You may left far.
Put it over yard, man.
Come say you ain't drive.
Yeah.
One already?
Yeah, man, you ready, man?
I may have more.
Yeah, no more, man.
You carry the same way, so?
Yeah. Yeah, man, reach out the collar, cut off here, fine. Yeah. I can't carry that, I know carry bag. Yeah, man, me carry bag. I no drive. Yeah? Yeah, man, it fit, man. I say no fit, but it fit, boy. But true. Or from this side, I say no fit.
You the far from here, you know, farmer.
Yeah. It fit, man. Yeah.
Clean them out. You see them and go down in the bush and cut them.
Yeah. So
we load selling but we're not talking to nobody. We'll be able to say.
Yeah, we say I'm gonna chop out it. Yeah.
You know argument about catapult.
Yeah.
So we can argue and say, you see?
Yeah.
And there. That you know say there, man. I have some see one plant here so for you. And Carla tell me say, yeah, come. And by the time we reach and I cut it. One more did they say, you know?
No more, man.
Oh, that one more did just here, you know. Every time I see you can see there. That's what I see there. See there? Come on, so. See there?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, man, I see it.
See your plant again, you know.
Yeah, I see it, man.
And banana down there, I have plant down there. Bubble to a couple, so I'm plant up.
Move it that bush up, man. Move it there again.
They're so tight. Yeah, man, in the boat.
So, yeah, bush up, some.
Him boy running. So we just make any time that's why I bush up, so. In that piece of land, in that bubble. No, I'm come down there, so. And I bring back the piece of land. In that bubble stuck up. The baby can put in the place, you understand me? But because in that I come put in the right, but they don't want to come here, so I bubble there. Bubble to move down there, so you understand me? I want to give in that place, you understand me? I want to give me, no? I want to give me. Yes, what I have to do, so. The banana down there, you know?
Yeah.
You work up on us, you know, but make you red cap, a little piece, a red cap, but like you want to take over one plate.
Red cap.
One wild brother, man.
Shot around this, huh?
Yes, we give piece around this river. G build up in house around there. And G dig one foundation and gonna find and they're fired. So in one like you want to work, then you will like, give me nothing like it. You would have work it, and not give me you nothing. And me you there and a full place. A full place, you know.
Look around there.
Yeah, come show you. I'm sure you read that road copy. Then the market here, so.
Yeah.
The line start from here, so then see you pick the right here. After that container in the place. What I have to do. I'm see me banana what this thing, you know. But you know. What I have to plant out the banana.
I'm kitchen in this.
Yeah, man, and kill it. Right at the thing. You say this there, so I put it, you have to mount it on container.
Okay.
Right at the mount it on the container. What I have to wait. Above it, boy, if I could bicycle, I can put stone there, so what I have to go around go. How sure it's this spot? If you red cap on it, it's zero. Red cap on it, the whole I'm not giving nothing.
Yeah.
But the last time you work, you can plant that shit. And sell it, you don't give me no money. All of us say you want to come to work. I'm telling you, no work. You can work, you can chop it up. And chop it down, and tangerine seed and down. They go right down, so you know. So far, I really blow him around, so see me, I speak to you and work. I'm a lawyer making work, so I'm telling you, work on top of it. But then the best food is nice, you know. You see when I work here. Hatch cocoa and hatch up there, you know.
Yeah.
Along the way, you just dig up on cocoa, hatch up people. But a gene, you see my work. That's it, you see my work, but it's chop it, apple tree. So far, gene dig foundation.
Apple tree come and sit there, so
yeah, man, apple tree there too, man. See foundation there, gene.
Oh, apple tree there, so before?
Yes, man, apple tree there too. See where that chop them down there. See where that chop it down there. You go right to your post in the line, you know.
Yeah.
All the way, you know, G, all spot it, you know. G digging foundation and gone, you know. A G foundation, this, you know, cover up, you know.
Okay.
G spot this, so where that work. If your line follow this, will come straight to you.
Yeah.
Straight to the post.
So what about it now?
Where that? Where that touch about it.
Okay.
That you see them the road, that one of our brother, but a wild brother.
Oh.
And then if I want strange man, then give it and say I brother, but we have him. Then David Kinney must see.
Anyway, you got apple there, 2 apples. Apple there too. Apple upon
you want apple? You want them?
That's alright, I can't eat so much.
What want you? Just right now. the place full up. CG house party, you know.
Yeah, 5 now.
Come now, watch it out.
No, 5.
Oh, check him for.
No, yeah.
Oh, go on.
No, 5.
Yeah, 5. Show me 5 finger. No, this is 5 finger. This is 5 finger. Riding the bicycle though.
Me know if you ride bicycle.
You know if you ride bicycle? Oh.
But your back tire shake.
Back tire shake. Okay, look on my peeps.
Take that one camera that.
Yeah, look if you can see me. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't see yourself, don't? Oh, well, let me alone, I can't see. Okay.
You can't see me, son? You can't see me, son?
Can't see yourself. Oh, you can't see me. What's your name?
Leo.
Leo. Okay, Leo. You know what Leo mean? Lion. Eh? Okay.
Right, boy, can send it down on this man. Yes, sir. Come, boy.
Yes, peeps. Eh? I go fast. Look, come on, say my 5 fifths. Right, man. Yes, peeps. So the whole of the land here, actually, fuel land. It's a whole lot of land. I say fuel land? No. Land. We're not land owner, I should say, but land holder. Land holder. We're just here to oversee it. That's it, because as I say, nobody really owns land. But not we don't really understand that. That is the right reason why people fight for land. Because, for example, even this land is so much, but then we have an uncle down there, so, and he always have female issues with himself. You know, want to see anybody do anything, but you know, he only can tell some people that. But people always fight over land. In Jamaica, people even kill each other over family land. Kill each other over it. And then everybody, because my grandfather did have this, female parents before, all them dead. My grandfather, them brother them, and sister them dead off. None of them is alive now to claim any of this. And their kids, majority of them in foreign. So people don't understand. Nobody owns land. Nobody can own land. Everybody go back to the land. Just imagine that. Nobody own land.
Yeah, man. I say land and I my youth everywhere can so.
Yeah, I say nobody not own land.
No, sir.
Everybody go back to the land.
I crave.
Yeah.
But we there, all the tree, I want to cut down all the tree every time power side, you know. I work over the place, you know.
Okay.
I want to kill out the banana, but you can't kill out the banana and they're ready to come banana walk, you can't cut banana.
Yeah, man, the banana walk they are a long time too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, chance want to up.
Oh.
Work up, you know, burn it down.
Yeah.
Just come burn down the whole of yourself. And just work up here and plant the banana.
Oh.
What missing them go out there and time, no, that time I go to
No, sir.
no, sir. We have to front page, you know. You jump on container, you say, no, that me alright, no, I like container.
Yeah.
Right here, so let me fight, so.
Yeah.
You jump on the container, right, then I feel the school and show that I'm going to move down school.
Oh.
Yeah, my line, what did they severe, man, right out there, it's half of that in our place.
Okay. No.
Half of that, the container.
Okay.
I feel the line, the way over there, and see the drop this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You have a whole I drive here up here, so, look, no? Up here, so, whole I drive here after this.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
One the pan container, the man wicked no bomb bucket. Yeah, you alright, man, alright. Just think you go alright. Come. Right, just take your time, right? Take your time, ride. And come, your bicycle, you can't go get gas here, yeah? You can't ride along, you know, but ride good. Ride down a man's in here, go down a shop like that. Ride on one side and ride. You can't ride, man.
Alright.
Thugs in here, yeah, man. You love riding bicycle. Wipe off your mouth. Wipe off your mouth like that. Come, you have break.
Then you peeps, stick and stay. Oh, catch what? It's a catch water.
Come to last line.
Yeah.
And video play.
Yeah. Come to gully. And so then call on there again. You don't enter the cave there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go down there.
My water wall.
Yeah, with the cave almost cover up. No road not even there for water.
Yes, you remember
It cover up.
I don't know go for water.
That means years ago people not catch water there again.
And then got the school there, the school now work, you know.
Yeah, man.
RTI foundation and RT broke it down.
Yeah.
Yo,
Bless.
you say RT broke it down, RT respond, but
Yeah, man, I'm going there. I'm going down there cave, man.
yes.
Came out, cover up too. I the mouth I cover up away.
I'm done this, you know. I'm done this.
What do you mean, man?
Alright, bless brother.
Yeah.
Yes, Bobby, man.
Yes, peeps. Bunch of planting. Yeah. Camera.
Certain people remember you, but certain people don't remember you, you know.
Yeah, so you go.
If you see you go here and look strange, you don't remember you.
Yeah.
So you go, you know.
Yeah.
If anybody left on board here, you see,
Mm-hmm.
progressive what can afford there, but no find money left go there.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be careful out there, you know.
True.
I'm princess, yeah. Good, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Crystal. Alright. Are you my
Crystal.
car today, you know?
I'm a
You
sibling.
remember your name?
I'm a sibling granddaughter then.
Yeah, I'm a second granddaughter then.
Okay.
Yeah, then come on, come on.
I know them.
Yeah, man, you come to Collie.
I know them.
What do you call them?
No, Shernet
Yeah,
and
sure.
Shernet and Shanae Colette and Terry.
Colleen,
Yeah, and Colleen, yeah, Shernet and Colette. Years me not see them neither.
bigger one then.
Oh.
I'm a second bed, you know.
So for them and Shernet and Colleen, I see mother?
No, them a mother, sister pick me them.
Oh.
Mother, sister pick me them.
Okay.
Grow up. You know what for them?
Yeah. I think if we grew up though, we'll publish it. One time I went to them place I used to.
I have to them actually, you know. I say, boy, I said.
Oh.
But some grave, 2 grave, the funny down there. So.
Oh.
See your spot out there, so
Yeah. Remember? Brother used to go up on farmer, he used to ride the bike. Metro. Yeah. Metro.
Boy, no say you want 5 million for you can't make a plan waste, you know.
Oh, sir.
Boy, say you want 5 million for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 5 million.
Yeah. So what happened to Metro?
Metro dead, man.
Man, him wife, he lived there one time. She dead too?
Yeah, man.
What them dead?
Old people, them? And they old.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I live here too.
Alright, yeah, so. Yeah.
Bad woman, my woman, that bad man.
Okay. So yes, peeps, me there, me and Adam. So we get planting and food and that.
Thing, food in a bag.
Yeah.
Mom tell you a foreign. I mean, I talk to. Oh.
The camera man talk to.
I say work.
Yeah. The me record. Yeah,
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So when you see people natural. Yeah. Unfiltered edition.
Yes.
Country life. People love country life, you know, man. I am them plant up the hill, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
She ain't work over there, you know. I believe she ain't work on her bottom there.
Oh. Where am I plant up there?
Plant 50 times, go to see what a cocoa and plant cocoa. Plant with a cocoa over there.
Cocoa on price?
Yeah, man, around 2 days, 3 days a pound.
Oh, okay.
That's in the same thing to around 3 days.
Yeah. But the road not so bad now though.
To go over there.
No, this a road I mean look.
Oh, yeah, because
Then
last time I mean,
them patch you out.
But then I fix up the road there, yo.
Yeah.
Then I fix up the road, then I do be a fuck with them, I do and you have the money.
A true election I come and it's patch you out. Yeah. Let me see.
Two road a mile long, I can't come out there. You say Vinta not come up?
Should not come up here, should have shown me.
So you're going to go and you not see you then, man. You know, in the idea, you know, soon chop in the evening.
Yeah.
You're not going like you're out in the country.
Long time I don't sleep at country.
Yeah, that set up last time.
Yeah, that set up last night. Long time I sleep. Long time I see when I set up that, you know, my watch is set up, you know.
Yeah.
Long time I see when I set up that, man.
Up on the hill, them a bury. Up on the hill, them a bury you, man.
Up on the hill, eh?
You know, got a Bannet Road.
Oh, Bannet, on a Bannet.
You go up on the hill.
Oh.
Banana.
Fine.
You have a give man 2 days.
Same fine banana.
You have a give man 2 days.
Mm.
Fine banana.
Joe, I'm going to manage them banana though, because as I said,
no, bag, man.
no, no one them, then the mash
You
up.
put them in one bag different and hold them banana there.
No,
And
they
you
mash
put
up.
them, you get one little bag and hand up there and pack them in one little neat bag.
Yeah.
Can hold for load, you know, so you pack them in one bag, you know.
Yeah, man.
Different from this.
Yeah.
Can I give you one nice little bag and you have to
Stick
plan.
and stuff. Back in the days, there's a carry load from my head, people, so far. Walk from the load. We live a country, I forgot bush. No, man, that's cool, man.
Yeah.
No, I monitor myself. Yeah. These peeps. Carry on. One bunch of planting. Good little distance me walk from. I'm tired already. Just my peeps. This ain't no easy country life. Nice. Yeah, but need the eye looks. Need me eye looks. Woo. Man, tired peeps. Yeah, man. Oh, sir. Get up from early this morning, man. I'm gonna lie down in my bed, brother. You know if you do that. You know, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, as you see, I went to the bush, get some food. Yeah, some ground provision. And then I am back going to get some breakfast now. And then fix up myself and get out of the country. So you will see my peeps. You see me from the box for my head. I actually pack this food in a box. So I will pack the box on my head and be out of here. So stick and stay tuned for that. And thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribe. Really appreciate you all. So yeah. And please share with your loved one and friends as this adventure from Jamaica continues. We're touring Jamaica, you know. So thank you all for the love and support. Really appreciate you guys. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. So yes, peeps, here I am heading back. I could drive to leave Guys Hill to go out of Angels to get the Northford Express to head on back into Montego Bay. So today I'm not going to take no whole heap of vehicles. I'll take one vehicle from my bay and then one vehicle from the airport go home. Yeah, because yesterday, which is you all see was I won't say terrible day, but a crazy day. Whole heap of vehicle and accident and all of that crap. So today I'm not going to run the risk there. Which is accident can happen anyhow. But yeah, so I take one bus today. So I'm heading to Spanish Town now, as I say. I have a big box. Yeah, my box full of breadfruit, banana, plantain, cocoa, yam, dasheen. Yeah. Get some ripe banana, but I never carry ripe banana them because I can't manage to carry ripe banana. So far, they might mash up. Yeah, might have to use them make smoothie. So I'm here in Guys Hill town. Yeah, waiting on taxi to today Sunday. So I have to come all the way. I could stay by Benbow and get one, but I have to come all the way to Guys Hill. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay. Catch up on the journey. I go down the coast. Yeah, don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps. So this is what you have to go to Jamaica. In Jamaica when you don't drive. Actually, me and other people here standing up waiting on taxi to come in order to get out of Guys Hill. Because apparently a lot of vehicles don't run on Sundays. So actually I make a call to see if a taxi can come. Yeah. So this is the stress that you go through in some areas where you live in Jamaica, that if you don't have a car for yourself. The road is bad. And then, you know, so you can get taxi, especially on a Sunday. Yeah, so we've been here for almost half an hour now. And where I'm at, the sun is right here, as I can see. Yeah. Linseed, Guys Hill, via Rosa. Let me see the vehicle, I go down here, stick and stay. reach Angels in time. So the bus will leave here at 3:35. I'm gonna reach here before 3 o'clock. Yeah. But I'm just letting family members know so I'm reach Angel first. Yeah. So I'm just check in and everything and sort out my thing and I wait for the bus. So, you know, straight from Guys Hill. And peeps, as I say, when you come to Jamaica, Jamaica is not for the weak. Jamaica is not for the weak. If you are scared of the road, they won't drive on the road. I don't know what you need to do. You need to walk. Because don't even take taxi or public bus if you are scared. Yeah, because crazy around here. But anyway, peeps, so yes, I'm on my way back to Montego Bay. So just stick and stay with me on my journey back to Montego Bay. So just stay tuned and don't go nowhere. One fire, holy fire. That is it. And finally, peeps, I've reached Montego Bay. Reached actually night. It was, let me not say a hectic drive, but it was a cool drive. Sleep out most of the journey. Yeah, actually sleep out most of the journey because I was very tired. Very tired. So, we're right across from Montego Bay Airport. And here we have Knutsford parking over here. They have the office. Yeah.
Pull up the seat. I can't have this.
Huh?
The seat back.
My seat? Okay.
Yeah, go and way back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So now peeps, stick and stay. Don't go. Thank you all for the love and support. Really appreciate you guys. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. So until next video, peace out.